Make some noise if you've seen us before. God damn. I didn't think it was going to be that good. But I'll say this. This song's not for y'all then. This song's for everybody who hasn't seen us before. Because after this, one thing is inescapable. You will all have seen us before. So make some noise if you've seen us before. Song's called Best Friend. Thanks, y'all. Now, this is something I have to do every show. It's a little uncomfortable. As if my shirt didn't know it was uncomfortable.
Take it off!
But we gotta do it because there's a lot of crazy shit going on in the world, a lot of wild shit, and if we don't talk about it, we're not gonna make any progress. So I gotta ask you one serious question. I need you to give me a serious answer. And then we can move on.
You got it!
Who the fuck is ready to see Incubus tonight? I hear what y'all saying. I want to do something about it.